Hello to you, the person watching this video. You decided to watch one of my gardening videos. Welcome. Today is a beautiful fall day here in Central Florida. I am in Zone 9B. It's beautiful and sunny, and I wanted to check out my potatoes. I'm growing some white potatoes for the first time, attempting, and I am doing it in laundry baskets. I came across some laundry baskets that were just going to get thrown away, so I decided to give them a new life and throw some potatoes in that just regular grocery store potatoes that were starting to grow. So let's go check them out. Here is one, and I just added, now when I started these, I filled them up with a lot of organic matter and not a lot of dirt, sort of like this sweet potato. Yes, I'm getting my sweet potatoes in now. They'll go dormant over the winter, and then spring they'll come alive, but that way they're in and they're done. So back to the white potato. And I just added a little dirt today. I will gradually, probably another week or two, add a little more dirt. The plant seems to be doing very well. I'm very happy with it. A lot of organic matter in there, not a lot of dirt, honestly. I used some tulle. I just put some tulle down on the sides to help keep the soil in, and it's working. It looks beautiful. So I'll let it go as long as it goes and see what I get. And then right across the way here is a second one. And this is not doing bad either. I just gave it some soil and some shredded paper. And when I made these, there was a lot of organic material on the bottom, some kitchen scraps. So, and there you go. This one definitely, I think I definitely need to add some more organic matter and soil. But I'm interested to see how it goes. I also have another one that came up on its own right around here. That one I did not plant. I put a lot of kitchen scraps in my garden, and it's right here, right next to another plant that I planted, and I didn't tag it, so I don't know what it is. I forgot what that is. But next to it here is a potato. So I'll try to get some more dirt and organic matter in there for it. See what happens. Right next to a sweet potato. And another sweet potato. Yeah. And those are the white potatoes. If you have a lot of knowledge or experience growing white potatoes, if you have any tips, I welcome them. This is how I've learned to garden. Is from watching other people on YouTube, watching them in their garden, and reading what they have to say and learning. And so I hope to pass the knowledge on by my silly little videos. Yeah, I think my turmeric is about done for the season. He is on the list to get cleaned up so I can use this guy for a nice fall winter harvest. Probably some green Swiss chard or spinach. Yeah, I need to get some spinach. This is my first year doing shampoo ginger, and it was excellent. I did great. So I just put these in. They're gonna go dormant for the winter. Pot's all clean, all new. It's got lots of organic matter, and it can go dormant for the winter. Come spring, it'll pop up. It's done. I don't have to worry about it until the end of next year. Yeah, I am learning. I just come out and do one little thing at a time. Alright folks, let's take a quick check at some of my mangoes, or my bad, papayas. I wish they were mangoes. And then I will end this video. Here is just one, and we have been eating a lot of papayas. A lot of smoothies. Do you guys have any suggestions on what else to do with papaya? Leave me a comment and let me know. Because this is just one of several trees we have. Oh wow, I just seen a little baby mulberry. This is a new mulberry bush. I didn't even get it a year ago. Look at there. A little baby mulberry. I've just been letting it settle in, trimming it a little bit here and there. I'm gonna let it go for the winter, and then it has gotten 3 times the size since I got it. Come spring, I will give it a heavy trim and hope to start getting some berries from it. And there's another papaya loaded. Little bird bath. Have to keep the birds happy because they really do. I catch them all the time coming in here and eating the grubs and the worms and the pests. Very good at it. Alrighty. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Grow something, then eat it. It's fun. See ya.